Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon bowl of cereal. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the top of the bowl. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape that just kind of goes around like this. It's going to go over here, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space right there. Now, starting right here, or I should say starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's just going to go right back up to here with like a big smiley face. Make sure you're starting from one end of the oval all the way to the next. Now, right underneath here, I'm going to draw a little line here, make it a little darker, and then a little line right here. And I'm just going to connect these with a little curved line like this. Now, inside of here, we want to make the actual cereal, and there's so many different types of cereal out there. So I'm going to make these just some kind of like little circular pieces of cereal. So I'm going to just make some little oval shapes like this with a smaller oval inside of it. And I'm just going to add lots of these all around here. So I'm just going to make all these different little oval shapes, and I'm going to fill them up all the way around. So I'm going to fast forward this part for just a minute. Okay, now that I have all of my pieces of cereal in here, I want to make the spoon. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to go over, and then it's just going to come back down like this. And then right on here, I'm just going to make a little curved line that just goes right down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line that just kind of goes around here. And this is going to be the milk in the cereal bowl. And then I'm just going to connect this to the spoon. Then I'm just going to make a little wavy line right here just to show that the spoon is in the milk. Now, over here, I want to give the bowl of cereal a face. So, you can do any sort of face that you want to. I'm just going to do something real simple. So, I'm just going to add a circle right here for an eye, and then a circle right here for an eye. I'm going to add another circle up here. And I'm just going to color in most of this and just leave a little circle white. And then I'm going to add a little line that goes across for a mouth. And then a little line that goes down and up with a little curved line for a tongue. And then I'm just going to kind of color in this part right here. And then I'm just going to add some eyebrows right above it. Then just to make the bowl a little bit more interesting, I'm just going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve across here. And then I'm going to start here and draw another line that's just going to kind of curve across there. Just give it a little bit more detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon bowl of cereal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.